teicneòlas. Ha ddíadach íangantach na chéil. Seall, phone live, in teicneòlas, the internet, in teicneòlas. Ha chavór gach pís fístrachaí bhfuil féim acam nam gárn. Sy'n conoltrug I dhéanamh le carachin, in teicneòlas. Ma ha mi sy'n can anióntachach, an eiterlíon. Carachin faimi in clár úr ag joy sy'n luchcachach in uas, download, luchcachach in uas, jev, van eiterlíon. Còmhla, bawn or, Gàidhlig an an 2010. Aha, seo acah knap starre gan teicneòlas. Skírin dúchol na hallapa. Is sim gáte ans nach héil ceall data. Cim ar a rein sin a chúis mas rófónichin acin. Mar éisiamplar, dé an cúteam a hanan seo?
Ha an chhlachte chúteam.
Can you lís acum, sin an írin. Ach, sin an töver a hánig mi an seo. I bhfuil si bheith fechcin a bhéin sin MacIlleathain. Creche no nach crech, believe it or not. Creche no nach crech, sé lárach a ha seo, ans an deach oper science glé chutramach I dhéanamh.
Seo Schiehallion, bein anaparach álin an bímóran a coiseach sa stréip. Ans an och gevlín díach gotá, va díachan scienceal in seo, a scientific experiment, díachan scienceal. Hánig in réal jóliche rial, nevel MacIlleathain aun, agus sy'n cúteam in töil a háis. Ha mi cynnechuch di isi failar va uris I an muur, sveri gas syliadachach.
Well, Izzy, can you tell me what made Schiehallion suitable as a mountain for measuring the mass of the world?
It had to be an isolated mountain that was over a certain height, and also they wanted it to be longer east-west than it was north-south. So Schiehallion was quite unique. I think they spent the best part of a year looking for a mountain that kind of ticked all those boxes.
How did they actually go about the experiment practically?
So they built 2 observatories, one on the northern side of the hill, one on the southern side. They set up camp there for most of the summer, and they did all the measurements at night. So they were looking, they're basing them on the stars and using a plumb line to see how much this plumb line was attracted by the mass of the mountain. So from what I understand, it were tiny, tiny measurements that they were taking.
And I understand that contour lines were invented here, if that's the right term?
This was the first use of contour lines on land. It was a mathematician called Charles Hutton, so he never actually made it to Schiehallion, but he was sent all the data back by Neville MacIlleathain and his team who were up here. He'd drawn these contour lines around the hill to kind of divide up the mountain into kind of measurable chunks to then equate to the mass of the world.
It torst súil at maps and be hísin learngaelic áirste, contours, learngaelic áirste. Agus féidir sin map mar seo a chleachcuh cúteirí teicneòlas úr. I sear an súil ionsachuh na heachnach.
Ha mi a ddíirich go lárach an afarchlain a tua. Le dlús, density, dlús agus táis líanaí, volume, táis líanaí na binne, gert I géad fiochan di cúteam in töil a háis. Vanatórian achge, turvis day fichit ounce heat gin a chutchum, a hashin in due a smernchin, a hounce and turl. Surlimi, get a shaw in tacha.
Ha teicneòlas cúis ní dhéanú chá fudasta géin an an imig dói. Agus féim sin tain gehorst donna túsarin, pioneers, túsarin, reinen operachte an a seo héin. Stoch a groot fiús a suie far vil misje in draasta. Ah, ha ceall eiterlíon acum a ríis genisje. Ach fuddy chorst joy, ga door mi flikkers gan a histje vacuum, ag toisach a má. Còmhla a glé bawn o'r Gàidhlig an an 2010. Bí joy Dunlop. Oh ai, van Valani's ammer sin.